2, 3. Similarly 3 on that side. So 6. Again in the bottom 6, 12, and this base which you can touch from the lower end. So that is 1. 6 plus 6 plus 1, that is 13. So 13 faces for this. Now for this figure. One face which you can touch, this circular one. Second, this circular one. And third is the bottom base. So 1, 2 and 3. There is also a formula to this that is called as Euler's formula. V minus E plus F equals to 2, means vertices minus edges plus faces equals to 2. You put in the figures over here, you will get the answer. Vertices, how many over here? See, vertices means these points. There are 6 points at the top, 6 points at the bottom, and 1 point over here. So 13 points. 13 minus edges. Edges means these cutting parts, where which gets cut, means this line, all these lines. How many edges? So vertices 13. Edges, see this 6, then these 6 edges. Edges means where it gets cut to your body if you press that. So these 6, then these vertical 6, and these bottom 6, means 24 edges. So 13 minus 24, you have to find F. Keep it as it is. 13 minus 24 minus 11. Take on this side, it becomes plus 13. So that is the answer. Similarly for this, vertices how many? Only 1 point. Edges how many? This 1, then this 1, 2. This is not the edge, this is a vertex. So 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, plus F we have to find out. Take on this side, so it becomes 3. Faces are 3. The net shown here forms a, net means this two-dimensional. If you join all these, it will form a pyramid. This is a pyramid which we see in Egypt, the same. Remember two basic things in this chapter. One is Euler's formula, V minus E plus F equals to 2, and second is the definition of geometry net. Net is a two-dimensional shape that can be folded to form a three-dimensional shape or solid. Download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. Follow us on Facebook, WhatsApp on the number. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.